नमस्कार दोस्तों, नेशन टॉक्स की सीरीज़ में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और आपको जैसे पता है कि इस पोडियम पे हम ऐसी शख्सियत से आपको रूबरू कराते हैं जिन्होंने अपने फील्ड में बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है। आइए मिलते हैं महाराजा अग्रसेन हॉस्पिटल सेक्टर 1 द्वारका के सीनियर डॉक्टर प्रदीप बगेजा जी से, जो सीनियर कंसल्टेंट हैं ऑर्थोपेडिक में, और उनका जो स्पेशलिस्ट है वो है नी रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जन। तो आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है डॉक्टर साहब।
Thank you, madam, and I'm happy you called me here for the interview.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। तो डॉक्टर प्रदीप बगेजा जी, हम जानना चाहेंगे आपके बारे में कि आप कितने सालों से इस फील्ड में हैं और किस तरीके से अपने हॉस्पिटल को सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं।
I'm in orthopedics in almost 20 years now, and I'm attached to this hospital for last 5 years since it is started in 2015, 2015.
Okay.
And my main area is orthopedics, which I include fractures of all the upper limb, lower limbs like tibia, femur, humerus, and forearm. And along with that, I've got special interest in knee arthritis and its management, from medication to physiotherapy to the surgical part also.
ओके डॉक्टर साहब, जैसे कि आज का एनवायरनमेंट है और इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं नी को लेके, तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी व्हाट इज़ नी आर्थराइटिस।
See, here we are discussing there are two types of arthritis. One is called aging arthritis and osteoarthritis, and other is called inflammatory arthritis or गठिया वाली arthritis.
ओके
एंड जो गठिया arthritis है वो होती है यंगर एज में, लाइक इट मे स्टार्ट अराउंड 18 years or 20 years, and it is a familial, it comes from the family side. Today we will discuss mainly on the aging arthritis, which is called osteoarthritis.
ओके
And as everyone has having graying of the hairs, we can say it's a graying of the knee joint.
ओके
To avoid knee arthritis like osteoarthritis, we should have a regular physical activity in the form of running, jogging, swimming, and at least we should walk 2 kilometers per day
Okay.
minimum.
ओके तो इट्स डिपेंड अकॉर्डिंग टू एज बिकॉज
The patient who are active from like 25 years onward,
Okay.
they stay active even up to 60 years of
Okay.
age. The patient who are not active, they may start having pain in the knee joint after 38 or 39 years of age.
Okay.
But commonly the symptoms start after 40.
40
40, 42, patient starts
Okay.
having pain in the knee
Okay.
joint, mainly during climbing up the stairs or going down the stairs.
ओके
And if they go for regular physiotherapy and exercises and with slow or minimal dose of analgesics, patient will get all right.
ओके एज यू आर ए सीनियर स्पेशलिस्ट इन दिस फील्ड, तो जनरली क्या होता है, पेशेंट्स को पता नहीं होता कि उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए, तो व्हाट शुड दे अवॉइड, कि उन्हें ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं लेकिन अच्छा डॉक्टर नहीं कंसल्ट हो पा रहा, तो उन्हें क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेनी चाहिए। और
It's my advice to all my patients, they should be a good patient. If they are studying any problem in the body, mainly in the knee joint, they should consult a doctor.
ओके
And a good orthopedic surgeon will examine them, get a simple X-ray of the kney joint, AP and lateral view, he will go for X-ray, and then he will start the basic medicine and the physiotherapy initially.
Okay.
If the problem persists, then there are other modalities of treatment along with the physio and medication. They may go for, or they may plan for surgery, depending what is their walking distance. If the walking distance is less than a kilometer, that means the patient can be planned for a knee replacement surgery.
ओके
So my way of choosing a patient, if the patient is walking less than 1 kilometer without with pain,
Okay.
that means he is a right candidate for surgery.
ओके
Not the age. If the patient can walk like 2 to 3 kilometers without pain, okay. But even after up to 1 kilometer, patient cannot walk without pain, he's planned for surgery.
ओके एंड डॉक्टर, जनरली वी हैव सीन कि जनरली जो हमारी फीमेल्स हैं वो ज़्यादा इन प्रॉब्लम से उनके अंदर आती है इन In comparison to
Good
male.
question, but I tell you, basically activity level.
Okay.
If somehow in Indian traditions, patients are not explained initially कि they need walking.
Okay.
Walking is very important for lifestyle. But patients in the Indian females just do the household work, and they say they doing all the work. That is not countable. What is countable is your
जनरली दे डोंट केयर themselves.
नहीं, they care for themselves, but they feel कि they are doing household work and that's enough. That is also important, but along with that, they need to go for a walk from 2 to 3 kilometers every day.
Walk, physical exercise,
Physical
diet,
exercises.
Diet is, I think you
Yes.
have tell,
Yeah,
diet is
in
very
the
much
diet,
important.
I always tell my patient 5 things to take. In the morning, a milk. In the evening, soup, any soup. And 2 fruits are very common like apple and papaya
Okay.
and few dry fruits. If 5 things are given to the patient on a daily basis, you will find the patients are quite active. Along with this, 2 to 3 kilometers walk
Okay.
to prevent aging arthritis or osteoarthritis.
ओके ओके। डॉक्टर मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी, कोविड जैसे अभी आपको पता है कोविड चल रहा है, तो कोविड के टाइम में आपने लोगों को कैसे हेल्प किया, और इस हॉस्पिटल में आपने लोगों को बहुत अटेंड किया होगा क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई थी, तो उसके बारे में मैं जानना चाहूँगी किस तरीके से आप लोगों को हेल्प कर रहे हैं।
Since COVID had started, I have never stopped working.
Okay.
I'm coming to my clinics almost every day, but my message to all my patients is SMS.
ओके
S for sanitation, always keep a sanitizer small bottle with you. M for mask, regular use of a mask, and another S for social distancing. Because if you want to avoid COVID to attack you, or to avoid suffering from COVID, these three things are important. But once you have suffered, only the symptomatic treatment are there. So the best is prevention than the cure. So if you want to prevent this COVID, use these 3 SMS message for everyone around you, and don't be casual. Government is opening everything today because they want to maintain the economy, but at the same time they want all their citizens to be stay healthy and to be avoided of this infection. So they are repeatedly telling they are opening everything, but they have to maintain SMS, sanitizer, mask and social distancing. And if at all you feel any kind of symptom, now government has taken on latest reports. You don't need any prescription from a doctor. You can go to any good lab and get COVID-19 test. I advise most of my patients to go for RT-PCR test only if they can afford it, because that's a 99% specific and sensitive.
ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट। आज प्रदीप बगेजा जी से हमारी बातचीत हुई कोविड को लेकर, और नी रिप्लेसमेंट जो स्पेशलिस्ट हैं डॉक्टर प्रदीप बगेजा जी, और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा सर आपसे मिलके। आपने इतना अच्छे सजेशंस हमारे पेशेंट्स के लिए दिए हैं कि उनको नी रिप्लेसमेंट की प्रॉब्लम ही ना है। और दूसरा, डॉक्टर साहब ने जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ बताई है कि हमें अपना ध्यान पहले से ही रखना चाहिए, वॉक करना चाहिए, एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, अच्छी डाइट लेनी चाहिए। तो डॉक्टर प्रदीप बगेजा जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका जो आपने इतना कीमती समय हमारे लिए निकाला। और मैं जाते जाते बस एक मैसेज चाहूँगी कि आप दें कि किस तरीके से हम डॉक्टर्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं हमारे नेशंस के लिए, कि एज ए डॉक्टर आपका क्या मैसेज है, एक छोटा सा मैसेज।
I just want कि doctors want concern from all my patients, right? And we all doctors in any specialty, we want to help all our patients. We want our patient to get all right. Our focus is not always money. We want to treat you.
Yes.
Money is a side effect. It has to come to us because we already given 20 years over studies now. Where I'm sitting right now, I've given almost 20 years in this specialty in orthopedics to reach at this level. So kindly trust your doctors. Even if you are not happy or stressed because of his treatment or her treatment, kindly go for second opinion and go humbly. Doctor, I want to have a second opinion. That doctor will never say no to you. And have a trust on doctors. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर। प्रदीप बगेजा जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।